Want to make shitload of money before the penny stock pumps, but you don't have any connections to the insiders cults who are getting info beforehand it pumps. So actually, we're in the same boat. I don't have any connections to the insiders cult or someone who knows someone else that knows the stocks are gonna pump, so they're gonna skyrocket to the moon. But here, what I'm trying to do is actually just take a small pieces. Even the small pieces are gonna matter because the amount of fluctuation we're getting from these penny stocks is crazy. So that's why I'm just trying to get the even the smallest, like the little tiny pieces from the big cake. How I'm gonna do that? I'm actually right now testing it. So here's my Gemini. Of course, AI is the protagonist of this story, but let me just show you guys how I'm actually doing right now. So this is my code to analyze the penny stocks that are getting mentions. They're getting mentions here on this subreddit. If you don't know about this subreddit, it's actually a place to lose money. There you go. So and likewise, degenerates like us maybe. I don't know. No, I actually not. But anyway, so they're talking about the people are and most of the time bots, not the real people. Bots are talking about some stocks, penny stocks most of the time, and they're just trying to pump it. Then once they got the profits, they're gonna dump it. I mean, I don't think there's intentional dumping process, but you can get actually something out of the pumping time interval, right? So this is actually what we're trying to do here. Here's you can see. So Reddit ticker mentions we're gonna be collecting the most mentioned penny stocks in the last week. So then the opening prices, closing prices, volume, and what else we're gonna be collecting a bunch of data alongside these, and what else? Like after that, from that point on, once we get the data, we're gonna make an analysis. We're gonna actually get Gemini to make some analysis for us. So, but at this point, we need to get some data, which is actually the bottom line of the entire process. So let me just show you guys what type of data I'm just getting. I mean, I just mentioned it, but let me just show you guys how that looks. So this is ticker analysis that I got like from the last week's data. I mean, let me just show you guys. Oh yeah. So this is a ticker analysis for the penny stocks. Oh, it's a big CSV file, so it's kind of like lagging right now. Oh shit. There you go. So the content is here. Content is actually the place. I mean the type of post that they're where the penny stock get mentioned, some mentions. So here's you can see tickers, content. This is like you can actually filter the posts or content that kind of have some like hints of the users actually bought, not a like real user. Anyway, so the penny stocks subreddit is penny stocks. I chose only one penny at one subreddit. You can actually specify some other subreddits, insert some other subreddits too. But anyway, type posts. We have the poster, the content, and tickers, and the timestamp here, and the score one, the number of content is this. So let me just show you guys the largest shit. So 500, what the 532, and these were the number of comments and the other penny stocks. There you go. I mean, you kind of got the idea. So this is for the like mention analysis, ticker analysis, and we also got the stock analysis. So for the last week, it's 27th of July, and I was working with it like 2 days ago. So 17 to 24th of July. So ticker, current marketplace. I mean, it used to be the current marketplace when I just ran the code. Market cap, mentioned date, mentioned time, 1 day change. Mentioned time is actually the time that I just ran the code. 1 day change, 51% of change skyrocketed. 1 week change, 1 month change, 1 year change, and mention count. So mention count actually includes posts and comments uh, merged. So it's a total count of mentions on the subreddit. So these are the sources. We are getting some data from Pennystocks, as you can tell. And this is the content. Actually, you can again you can actually classify the content if it's a bot or not. And these are the most mentioned tickers: IXHL, Open, OPTT, MBOT, NCNA, whatever. So I'm giving these two CSV files to Gemini. So once we get the data, because we're getting it data here, we're getting it here, as you can see, we get rid of ticker analysis and stock analysis, and we're gonna just passing it to the Gemini, which is my actually number one AI model when it comes to coding, when it comes to analysis, do some analysis, whatnot. So here, as you can see, I'm just passing these two files that I just showed you guys, and this was my prompt, but we can change it. You can find this prompt in the comment section of this video, and please make some suggestions like how we can improve. All right. So I'm actually trying to find the at least 20% return on investment rate for the next week, right? For the next week. I'm just trying to I'm just trying to identify the next week's winner, right before it pumps. So this was my prompt. Yes, you can find it in the comment section too. And I'm actually running here the with the deep research. It's actually surfing through the net, and like for this case, actually gone through like up to 300 websites to collect some data about the stocks. As you can see, for example, sentiment. Also, I'm doing also just sentiment scoring, sentimental analysis. I guess it's using right now this ticker mention count and some case studies in the IXL phenomenon and emerging signals for the stocks. I mean, I kind of actually runs analysis for each stock that is in my CSV files. Again, next week outlook. And as a result, actually gives me the top 10 penny stocks for the week of July 28. So the stocks you're about to see is actually not an investment. I mean, what? Use it at your own risk. It's not a like investment advice or something like that. It's all your responsibility if you just buy these penny stocks here that you can see from my video. So it's not my responsibility. I don't take any responsibility off of it. So exactly, use it at your own risk. So these were actually top 10 penny stocks for the next week. It's Sunday, so it's gonna be Monday tomorrow. So he actually suggests me to buy these, and I'm actually right now I bought these on like paper trading because I want to actually see what's gonna happen, how is it gonna perform until the day of Friday of the next week. Then I will just seeing the results if the entire process is actually working. All right. So these are the risk level, very high, extreme, very high, extreme. I mean, obviously it's penny stocks, right? So these were the websites and thoughts, whatever. So let's see what's gonna happen next in the next week, and I'll be actually validating the results of the prompts of the outcome of this prompt, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and see what's gonna happen next. I'm actually kind of excited to see the results. Oh, by the way, I'll be also sharing the code, but not right now because I'm not sure if it's actually working. If I can make sure it's working, I'm gonna be sharing you guys how to create something similar to this system, maybe like the exact same system, because it's actually not the like final version. It's demo, so not the final version. So it's demo, and I will be just creating maybe more advanced. And what like I'm asking you guys how we can improve it. Like what are the steps or whatever. All right. So let me just see you guys. See you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next video. So take care and don't forget to subscribe for more. And let's make shit load of money together.